Yo, what's up? It's Chris. I'm back with another video. Today I'm cooking these beautiful dry-aged ribeyes. As you can clearly see the difference between the dry-aged and the non-dry-aged over here. You can see that the color is darkened, and that means all the flavors has been concentrated from all the water being evaporated. Okay, so we'll be seasoning these bad boys with pepper, Himalayan pink salt, and garlic powder. What we're gonna do now is season the steaks, season both sides, putting the steaks into a bag, and we're gonna put it into this sous vide machine right here. And the temperature we set it at is 130.5 to get a perfect medium rare on inside. Alright, let's get it. So now we're gonna just put a lid on top of it and leave it for 2.5 hours to cook at 130.5 degrees Fahrenheit. And now I'm just gonna have to wait for my friend Marcus. Where is Marcus? That must be Marcus. Let's go get him. Yo, Marcus!
Hello, Chris.
Alright, so Marcus just bought the fresh pasta that he made in his house. Whoa.
Right now I'm just squeezing some lemon for some contemporary aglio olio to make it less heavy, more light. An ironic thing is, right? Normally we eat with dry pasta and fresh steak, but in this case we're doing fresh pasta and dry-aged steak, which is really cool.
Really finely sliced garlic.
Let me taste this. Yeah, this is wrong.
Is it like really bad?
You want to taste? It tastes very different to normal parsley. You want to go get some quickly?
Alright, slight problem.
We made a mistake. We got French parsley and we needed either English parsley or Italian parsley, so we're gonna get that now. Okay, let's go.
Alright, off we go on the long hike and long journey to cold storage. Gee. What is that, Marcus?
English parsley made in Malaysia.
And we're back. Alright, Marcus, what are you doing now?
We're gonna make sauce.
What type of sauce is this?
It's just a simple aglio olio with parsley, garlic, olive oil, dried chili flakes. We have some. Do we have some? Yeah, this one, it's salt, pepper, and yeah, that's it.
Just finishing off the pasta. Since it's fresh pasta, he only had to cook it for around 1.5 minutes.
1 minute. Just
Yeah.
1 minute.
And the sauce is done as well for the pasta. I got the steaks out, pat them dry, add a little bit of olive oil, and they're ready to go on the cast iron pan. Alright, listen to the sizzle.
Good.
So currently we have set up the table. Just got the steaks done, got the pasta done.
Okay, I'm gonna try a fresh steak.
First one, fresh steak.
It's so soft, dude. It's still really good. Dry
See
age.
the flavor in terms of flavor. What is the difference, Marcus?
This is my first dry age ever.
Tell them. The flavor, is there a difference?
It's a lot more beefy, but there's no bad taste at all. It's like super good.
That's nice. How about you guys? What you guys gotta say for that?
Haven't tried it yet. It's very good.
Dude, it's so good.
Mama?
Ciao.
I was a bit scared of like the cheese taste, but like it's so good. There's no cheese taste at all. It's super good.
Alright guys, so the benefits of sous vide is that the internal temperature of the meat is maintained constant at a fixed temperature that you choose, and you choose to your own taste. For example, if you like more well done, you set the temperature higher. But for us, we love it medium rare. So if you check this out, and then the dry aged one, perfectly medium rare from edge to edge. Alright, that was a great meal, and the combination was perfect. The pasta and the steak. And thanks again to Marcus for helping cook the pasta. Really opened my eyes to see a modern twist on the aglio olio. And looking forward to more cooking videos in the future. Please click the link in the bottom to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. Thumbs up if you want to comment about future video ideas. Comment down below. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. God bless. Whoa. Jeez. Alright, so basically, we made a small... Okay. Wait, where are you going? What? How do you even zoom in on it? No. It's locked. Oh, there you go. GG, got locked out. Got locked out. Hello. We got locked out. Tut.
It's a flat house.
Yeah.
1 hour later.